Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a shutdown shortcut into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will create a shortcut by clicking on your right mouse button and come over this new section. And then come over this shortcut section. After that, here you need to write shut down dot exe space dash s space dash t and space 0, and after that you need to click next, and then here you can write your shortcut name like this and then click finish. You can see our shutdown is started over here. So if you now click on it 2 times, it will be shut down automatically. But before that, we will customize. How? Just click on it, right mouse button, and if you click on show more options, and if you click on properties over here, you can see you will get an option called change icon. And if you now click on change icon, click OK, and we will give this icon this one. You can know our shutdown icon will be this, and if you click on OK, click apply and OK, you can see our shutdown showing over here. If you want to delete this shutdown name over here, you can do it also. Just come over this search icon, and if you type character map, you can see it showing character map over here. So click on that. After that, here you will find after K space. If you select this and copy it, and if you close it, and now if you click on F2 to rename it and paste that space, and you can click on enter, you can see your shutdown is not showing over here, only the icon. And if you click on it, then it will be shut down automatically. So this is how you can create a shutdown shortcut into your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.